Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As from the video itself you can see that my today's video is an Indian ethnic lookbook. This is only part 1 where I will be sharing with you each and every detail about 3 outfits. This is the part 1 of this Indian ethnic lookbook and I will be sharing the part 2 real soon, so please stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel then do subscribe to my channel. Now without blabbering more, let's just get started with the video. This suit, I got it in a semi-stitched form. I bought this suit from, if you live in Delhi, you must be aware that the Subhash Nagar Pacific Mall has the weekend market outside the mall, and there are few white hut-like shops are there. There are 2 to 3 shops at the end where there are some female staff which are selling very good ethnic pieces, and the cost is not too much, but these are designer pieces, so you will be able to find all sorts of latest designer wear out there at very reasonable prices. Definitely cheaper as compared to the designer shops where you will not get an outfit or the dress material for less than 10,000 rupees. I have to get the bottom stitched, and I got this suit material for 2100 I guess. So you have to bargain. It has these sort of stone like detailing going on. It's really pretty and it looks really nice on me. I decided to just get this sort of parallel style bottoms, and trust me, it turned out really nice. I just told my tailor that I want this sort of designing with such pleats. These are stitched from here near my knee area. These are stitched so they just stay at their place, and this sort of pleats do not go anywhere. It looks pretty amazing and I just loved the whole look, how it turned out. Also the dupatta is really nice. You can see these are this is the detailing, this stone pearls like detailing at the end throughout the dupatta with this sort of border. So now let's just go ahead and watch look number 2. This mustard colored suit, I somehow like this color and I feel that this is very appropriate for summer. Talking about the bottom, I just kept it really simple. I just asked my tailor to just make the normal pajama style bottoms, and this is the cotton material and it's really comfortable. It is this. You can see this sort of detailing. These are basically stones. I didn't include the design on my back area, but let me show you now. This sort of design I have got on this kurti. I have got this sort of borders on the sleeves, because sleeves were not too long and I just love the 3/4 length sleeves. So I just asked my tailor to just put these sort of borders on the sleeves so that it can increase the length of this kurti. But I just like to add on a little detailing to my Indian ethnic wear. The main USP of this outfit was this pure silk dupatta with a contrasting pink border. I just purchased the dress material for this suit from Meena Bazaar and this costed me around 2500. Now let's just move ahead and watch the last and final look. In the last look, I was wearing this outfit and I just love this color. It's baby pink color with the golden and bronzy sort of embroidery going on all over the kurta, you can see. And I just bought it from West Side, and if you guys don't know, it is very good place to buy stitched Indian wear. And I just went there and I just saw this and I immediately purchased this. This was for 3200 and the sleeves have this sort of button detailing. It comes till my elbow, so that is a good thing. You can wear it in summers and this is appropriate for a casual day out as well. It looks really smart. And the pants are, it's a very wide legged pajama style bottoms. The bottom is really comfortable to wear in summers. Also, let me show you the dupatta. It has brown as well as pink color going on, plus it has this sort of border as well. It's plain border but it looks really nice. So guys, this is it, and this was my part 1 of Indian Ethnic Lookbook, and I will be posting part 2 really soon. So please do subscribe to my channel.